Hello children, this is Sunita Gupta, your EVS teacher. Children, today we will be solving the exercises of lesson number 5, water, which we read last week. So let us open page number 45 for that. Okay, let us see. Question number 1 is tick the correct option. We use water for dash. For drinking, walking, writing. So which is the correct answer? Are we using water for walking or writing? No, not at all. So drinking is the correct answer. So put a tick here and write drinking here. You can see the spellings from here. It is given D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking. First write drink and then add ing to it. Now, next is dash makes water dirty. What makes water dirty? Many things make water dirty. Many of the human activities make the water dirty. So, what are they? Let us see what the options are. Boiling, factory waste, filtration. So, is boiling correct option? No. Factory waste? Yes. Factory waste is the correct option. Filtration? No. Because boiling and filtration make the water clean, fit for drinking. So these two can't be the correct options. Correct option is factory waste. So factory waste makes water dirty. So see the spellings given and fill here. Don't make a mistake. Dash is the purest source of water. Which is the purest source of water? Rain is the purest source of water, not the river or well. The water is not as clean as the water which we get from rain. So rain is the correct answer. Dash is a source of groundwater. Groundwater means underground, the water which seeps into the ground. So ponds, so surface water. We can see the water on it in the pond. Or river, also water could be seen. It is on the surface. So these two can't be the correct options. Well is the correct option. So fill well here. W-E-L-L. Well. Now comes question number 2. Write true or false for the following statements. Rainwater collects in ponds and rivers. True or false? True. It's true. Filtration makes water dirty. Does filtration make water dirty? No, not at all. It's false. It makes the water clean. We need water for drinking, cooking and bathing. It's true. We should use shower to take bath. Of course not. We should use a bucket and mug to take a bath. So it's false because water gets wasted when we use a shower. Waste from factories makes river water dirty. Yes, you have read here also. Factory waste makes water dirty. So waste from factories makes river water dirty. True. It's true. Now see these pictures. Put cross for the activities that make water dirty. Tick the activities that make water fit for drinking. Children, you practice reading the question also. Some of you are not able to read the question during the exams. So, practice reading the sentences. All these sentences you should know how to read. Okay, and then only you will be able to write the answers. If you are not able to read the sentence, what is the sentence, what is this word or that word or this word, then how will you answer? So practice reading the sentences, what is written. So you have to tick the activities which make water fit for drinking. So what is this? This is fire. A pan is kept on the fire and water is there in it. It's boiling. Water is boiling. So boiling makes the water fit for drinking. So it is the correct activity. So put a tick here. Next, this man is throwing the garbage in the river. So it is good or bad? Tell me, is it good or bad? No, it makes the water dirty. So you will put a cross here. Next, also, it's not an activity, good activity. Now, this animal is bathing in the, this man has brought the animal to take a bath in the lake or pond, whatever it is, pond it is. So it's wrong. So put a cross here. Only one is correct. Now turn the page and see this D question. What is the question? Read the clues and rearrange the letters to form the right word. These are the jumbled words given and clue is given here. So you have to make a correct word from it. It is the purest form of water. Just now I told you which is the purest form of water. Rain. Rain water is the purest form of water. It helps in storing water. What is this? You all know it. It's a bucket. So bucket, bucket. It helps in drawing out groundwater. So this is a well. WELL. Here bucket, bucket. RAIN, rain. So this way you can see all the words you have to, letters, sorry, all the letters you have to use. And you can take the help of these pictures also. Now comes the question answer. Answer in one or two sentences to be done in the notebook. This has to be done in the notebook. E part. E part you need to do in the notebook. I have written the answers for you. What is question number 1? How can we make water fit for drinking? How can you make water fit for drinking? See the answer. We can make water fit for drinking by boiling and filtration. By boiling and filtration. Boiling spelling BOILING, boiling. Filtration FIL, fill. Tray TRA, tray. Shun TION, filtration. Understood? Now what is question number 2? Write 2 ways in which water gets polluted. So how does water get polluted? Water gets polluted by waste from the factories. Only 2 ways you need to write. There are many ways, but only 2 you need to write. Waste from the factories, and second one, throwing household garbage. So these 2 are there. Waste from the factories, and second one, throwing household garbage. Whatever waste is there in your house, whatever wastage of your house is there, you go and throw in the rivers. And factories, Waste also is thrown in the rivers. Write one way in which you can save water. How can you save water? We can save water by using a bucket to take a bath or take bath. Understood? You can use a bucket to take bath. Clear? Is it clear to you? You need to write these in your notebook. Are you all writing simultaneously? Whenever you see the video, beta, you write all the question answers and complete your work simultaneously. Okay, children, goodbye.